How to add custom fields on products in Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add custom fields to your products. Now, previously this was a lot more difficult because you only would be able to do this with meta fields. However, with the new version of Shopify, they now allow you to add your own custom fields with a few simple and easy clicks. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. To get started, log on to your Shopify dashboard and then click on Products. Once you click on Products, you're going to click on Add Product, and I'm going to add a really simple product that can have a lot of different variants so you guys can understand the different types of custom fields that you can add. So I'm just adding a simple curtain, and then I'm going to click on Upload New, and I'm going to upload the images of the curtain. Then after that, I can add a description and then the base price. Now, I am going to be creating multiple different variants, not only that are based upon the color, but also based upon the size, as well as the material, as well as whether or not the curtains are blackout or not. So I would have 4 different custom fields that I would be creating. Now for that, I'm going to add the price of the lowest possible price that I'm going to have, which is going to be 50. And then we can add the cost per item as well. Below that, we can add the quantity that we have, add the quantity right now because we're going to be editing this later on in our bulk edit. Now, once you scroll down, you will have category meta fields. So you can directly click on color and add those entries into your store, or click on add options and you can add your own colors. So for our colors, we have mustard and gray, or gold and gray. And once I've added the colors, I'm going to click on done. Then I can click on add and add another option, and then click on create custom option. For this is going to be size. And let's say the first size we have is 40 by 90, and then the next size we have is 100 by 140. And then let's say we have 140 by 200. So let's say these are the different sizes that we provide for our curtains. Now I'm going to click on done, and you will see for each color we have 3 different variants. Now to make this even more complicated, we can add another option. I'm going to be creating another option, and this is going to be the blackout curtain. And for this, this is going to be blackout curtain, and the other value is going to be simple fabric lining. And now we have all the different values. Now if I scroll down, for each color I have 6 different variants, 3 for the sizes and then 2 for the blackout options, and for each size I will have the blackout option as well. So this is just one way you can add your own custom fields. Now, by default, editing the quantity can be really difficult. So for this, I am going to be adding our basic quantity, and I'm just going to click on save over here. Once we click on save, an easier way to track quantity or add the quantities of a lot of different products all together is by viewing them in bulk edit. So you can go back into your Shopify product dashboard, and then you can click on more actions or select your products. So I'm going to go back, select my product, click on bulk edit, and in that we have our available quantity. So usually when you're starting out your store, you might have a default quantity for all of those items or all of the variants, which I like to just add in a bulk edit. You can just hold them all together and then type in the value, and that is the default value that will be entered when you are first setting up your custom fields in your product. Then click on save on the top right. And now if I go back to my store and view my online store, once I view my online store, I can go into simple curtain, and you guys can see the 3 different variations. So we have color variations, size variations, and then the blackout curtain variations. Now, this all has the same price. So to edit the prices based upon the custom variants or custom fields you've added, you can go ahead and then click on the bulk edit tool once more. So we're gonna select this, select our singular product, and then click on bulk edit. Now in this, what I can do is I have my base price added. Now for this, I am going to open this up. And first off, let's say all of my blackout curtains add a price of 10 more. I'm going to set everything that is marked in the blackout curtain as 10 more. However, all my sizes can have different prices as well. So the normal 40 by 60 blackout curtain is 60. The simple fabric lining is 50. Then the larger size normal curtain goes for 100 and 110 for the blackout variant. And like this, I can, add my adjusted pricing. So let's say 150, and then after that, we can add 160, so on and so forth. You can add your prices and then click on save. Once you click on save, click on back and then click on view on online store. And now if I select a certain variant, the one where I change the prices, you guys can see that with the different variation selected, the price of the product has increased. And if I choose the other size, the price of the product has decreased. And this allows you to add different pricing based upon the customizations of the customer or based upon how many custom fields you have. More customizations may cost you more, and you can then pay off that cost onto the customization than onto the customer. Instead of having to build a separate product, you can just incorporate everything. So on and so forth. You can go ahead and add different products. I've added this particular lipstick, and we can click on variants and we can add things like colors, certifications, textures, cosmetic finishes, lipstick effects, makeup features, as well as packaging based variants. So you can add custom fields for including luxury packaging or including additional packaging, which can be a really easy way for your brand to save money and send out orders as the customers want them. So if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below. And I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.